BitPay Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The BitPay Wallet app is one of the longest running crypto wallets in the industry. It's known for being simple, secure, and practical for spending cryptocurrency. But is it still competitive in today's crypto landscape? Let's explore the real pros and cons. Starting with the pros, BitPay's biggest strength is usability. It's designed for everyday transactions, letting you buy, store, and spend crypto effortlessly. You can purchase gift cards, shop online, or even load your BitPay debit card directly from the app. It bridges the gap between crypto and real-world spending better than most wallets out there. Security is another key advantage. BitPay is non-custodial, meaning you have full control over your private keys and funds. The wallet uses multi-signature protection, encryption, and backup phrases to safeguard assets. Then there's multi-asset support. BitPay handles major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and stablecoins like USDC. It also supports buying and swapping crypto within the app, all while showing transparent fee breakdowns before you confirm any transaction. But now for the cons. One limitation is that BitPay focuses heavily on spending and payments, not on DeFi or NFT integration. If you're looking to stake tokens, earn yield, or connect to decentralized apps, BitPay won't give you those tools. Another drawback is limited token support compared to newer wallets. It's great for mainstream coins, but not ideal if you want to explore smaller altcoins or custom tokens. Finally, the BitPay card isn't available everywhere, so depending on your country, you might not get access to all its features. In conclusion, the BitPay Wallet app is perfect for people who actually use their crypto, not just hold it. It's safe, intuitive, and designed for real-world convenience. The surprising truth: BitPay isn't the flashiest wallet, but when it comes to practical crypto payments, few do it better.